This awesome crochet kit is perfect for anyone who wants to learn this cool craft. A quick disclaimer, I received this product free to try. It comes with everything you need to make these two adorable Halloween cat gnomes. Aren't they cute? And everything you have is inside: a crochet hook, yarn, stuffing, markers, a sewing needle, and even video tutorials to guide you step by step. The QR codes for them are inside the booklets. So crocheting is a great way to relax and improve your focus and even create something special for the people in your life. And the best thing is that you create this with your own hands. And once you finish these cute cat gnomes, you'll feel proud with your new skill. And the finished cats could be used for fun decorations around your home. And whether you're a kid or an adult, a beginner or more experienced, this kit makes it easy and enjoyable to start crocheting. It's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves crafting